Matchmaker, matchmaker, make me a match. Find me a find, catch me a cabinet. Matchmaker, matchmaker, make me a match. Find me a find, catch me a cabinet. I am happy for my cabinets. All 17 of them. This is gonna be the greatest kitchen ever. Yes, I can't wait to see the installation that we will be doing, okay? Because it's going down pretty soon. Stay tuned. Cabinets are going in. It's gonna totally change the look of the house.
Keep going, go right there. There it is.
Look at the countertop. Oh my gosh. It's beautiful. It's so beautiful. Look how much it stands out the kitchen.
It's like a perfect.
Ploop.
It stands it out.
And then underneath, we've cut, oh, this opens from here. Cut the outlet out. This is perfect. Okay, it looks wonderful. So right now the butcher block countertop is stained. Well, we put a wood oil finish on it. And we are taking out these old cabinets. I already cleaned out these cupboards. These cupboards are so good. Like so sturdy, in such good condition. However, it's just not gonna work because of the outside that's really old, and in order to replace it, you're just looking at more money than purchasing new cabinets, to be honest. And then all of the hardware needs to be changed as well. So we're going to, all of this right now is just I have all of the plastic stuff in here right now. And then these bottom cabinets on the bottom are going to be for all of the pots and pans that I have in here, which I didn't realize how many pots and pans I actually have, but I have like a lot. I also have like more like serving ware and stuff like that here. Oh, he smells the marshmallows. And then, okay, and then I have my baking stuff on this side too.
I want this stuff.
Got all the cabinets down. Isn't this great?
Yes, ma'am.
They really